What's up, ironworkers? Welcome back to Math Unit 5. It doesn't say in the top corner in this video. Yes, this will be the beginning of Unit 5, but this is not any specific worksheet. This is just an introduction to circle nomenclature. What in the heck fire is nomenclature? That means fancy talk. We're learning the language of circles. Nomenclature just means language specific to something. In this case, specific to circles. So if we don't know what parts make up a circle and what those mean, then we're really going to have a hard time moving forward and trying to learn circles, because I'm going to be saying the words and you're not going to be understanding the words, and that equals disaster. So let's get cracking. What is a circle? Well, it looks a lot sort of like well, it sort of looks a lot like that. Yeah. Oh, that's pretty good for freehand. Okay, so that's a circle. It's a round thing. It really doesn't get more complicated. The words just get bigger. So on the circle, we have something called diameter. What is the diameter of a circle? The diameter is the distance straight across a circle from one side to the other side, from edge to edge, distance across. Okay. Within that, we have the radius, and the radius is half of the diameter, which is just to say from center of the circle to the edge. It's just half a diameter. So from the center to the edge, and I'll write that as well. Center to edge. Nice. Beyond radius, we have the distance around a circle, right? The distance all the way around something: squares, triangles, rectangles, trapezoids, polygons, parallelograms. That's perimeter. But in circles, our nomenclature, our fancy talk, is different. We don't use perimeter. Does anybody know what word we do use for circles? Yeah. Circumference. Nailed it. I heard you. Some of you out there knew it. So circumference is, whoa, if I was actually good at drawing and I followed this circle perfectly all the way around from beginning until end, that is the circumference. That is the distance around the circle. Now, there's something else that we need to know what it is for circles, and that is how this lines relate to the actual arc of the circle. So anytime we're dealing with this arc, it's never in a straight line. It's always a circle is a circle is a circle. So we're dealing with a ratio of that arc against its linear measurement. So it's hard to describe, but what I'm talking about is pi. Pi equals that symbol, which equals 3.14159265, etc. It never repeats itself. It is an infinite number. Trying to talk and spell, I'm telling you, try it sometime. Infinite. I don't know why saying the word and spelling it is such a difficulty, but there it is. So there we go. Pi 3.1415 on for infinity with random numbers. That is The secret sauce for circles is pi, and it is incidentally a button on your calculator, but it looks less squiggly and looks a little more like this on your calculator. I like to exaggerate it and make it a little fancier, but that's it. So that is the pi button. We will be using pi to find circumference or to find pieces of the arc, pieces of the round bits when we start looking at diameter and radius. But that is circle nomenclature. That's the fancy talk for circles. So now that you've got an introduction on the words, we can start looking at some of the math for circles. See you on worksheet 501.